We'll guide you through how to export contacts from Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account from which you want to export contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, look to the left-hand side and find the menu. Click on Export. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on More to reveal additional options. When you click Export, a window will pop up asking you to choose which contacts you want to export. You can select contacts to export all of them, or choose specific groups if you have them organized. Now, you need to choose the file format. For most purposes, you'll want to select the Google CSV format, which is compatible with other Google services and can be imported into many other email clients. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button. Your browser will then download the file to your default download location, typically your Downloads folder. This file contains all your selected contacts and can be imported into another service or kept as a backup. If you're planning to import these contacts into another service like Outlook or Apple, make sure to select the appropriate file format when exporting. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.